right, we're going to do a little pruning. Some of our rose bushes have, the blooms have kind of faded now. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your branch and see there's 3 leaves there, 3 leaves there. You want to cut it down to where there's 5 leaves. So see, there's 5 leaves there. So we're going to cut, well, we can cut right down here because there's a new branch coming up. And that'll send up a new branch to do a new rose bloom. So we'll move over to this one, same thing. We're going to go down to the 5th leaf, which is right here, but I think we're going to cut right here because of this new branch coming up here. Same with this, 5th branch, 5th leaf, cut there. This one here, we're just going to cut to here, since we still got one good bloom. Over here. Right here, there's the 5th leaf. And the last one, we're just going to go ahead and cut this since it's pretty close to being done. We're going to cut right here. And there's your rose prune.